How to use Google Forms to create surveys. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Forms to create professional and effective surveys. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Go to forms.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Click on the blank form to start from scratch, or choose a pre-made template if you prefer. Give your survey a title and short description so people know what it's about. Now start adding your questions. Click the plus button to add a new one and choose from different types like multiple choice, checkboxes, short answer, or drop-downs, depending on what feedback you need. You can also make questions required by toggling the switch at the bottom right of each question. Use the toolbar on the right to add images, videos, or break your form into sections for better organization. To preview your form, click the eye icon at the top. Once you're happy with it, click Send to share via email, link, or even embed it on a website. All responses are automatically collected and can be viewed in real time. You can share this form through the Publish icon at the corner. Just click on Publish and share the form, or export it to Google Sheets for analysis. And that's how you create simple and powerful surveys using Google Forms. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. That's all for the video.